Introducing iTech Series AQUA1 Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Store your accessories in one place and charges your vacuum at the same time. Smart AI voice to help you navigate. Smooth and light vacuum movement with auto move roller. 3 cleaning modes to elevate the suction power and cleanliness. You can suction any type of liquid forms on any hard flooring. No more waiting for the floor to dry for so long. Pause your vacuum at any time.
Please clean the sewage bucket.
Unplug, throw, and clean just like that.
Self-cleaning
Auto wash vacuum inner tunnel and roller brush.